Hello, welcome. Let's prevent a solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 3 to power x. This is equal to 36. So what is the value of x? Now solution from here. So we have 3 to power x. This is equal to 36. Now, as you can see, for us to solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides so that we'll have log 3 to power x. This is equal to log 36. Okay, so from what we have here, we apply the logarithm power rule. That is log a to power n. This can be expressed as n log a. All right, so applying this logarithm property, we'll have x log 3. This is equal to log 36. So we divide both sides by log 3 and also here by log 3, so that now the value of x is equal to log 36 divided by log 3. Okay, so let's proceed. So we have that x is equal to log 36 divided by log 3. We can express that 6 as 9 multiplied by 4, all right? Which you can also express as 9 can be expressed as 3 to power 2 multiplied by 2, which is 2 to power 2. All right, so 2 to power 2 is the same thing as 4, and 3 to power 2 is the same thing as 9. Okay, so substituting this, we're going to have log 3 to power 2 multiplied by 2 to power 2 divided by log 3. Now, from what we have here, log 3 to power 2 multiplied by 2 to power 2, this is actually in the form of log a multiplied by b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So applying this logarithm property, we're going to have log 3 to power 2 plus log 2 to power 2, okay? Essentially everything divided by log 3 and also here by log 3. Now, log 3 to power 2, applying the power rule property, this becomes log 3 to power 2 becomes 2 log 3 divided by log 3 plus log 2 to power 2 becomes 2 log 2, okay, divided by log 3. Okay, this is essentially by applying the power rule property of logarithms. Okay, so that here we simplify log 3 and log 3, so that now x is equal to 2 plus, so we have 2 log 2 divided by log 3. All right, now log 2 divided by log 3, this is actually in the form of log a divided by log b, which you can express as log a to base b, the same thing as log a to base b. Applying this property, then the value of x is equal to 2 plus 2 log 2 to base 3. Now this is the value of x. This is the value of x. Now let's verify if this value of x satisfies the equation. Let's verify that the value of x, which is equal to 2 plus 2 log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we end that 3 to power x, this is supposed to give us a value of 36. Now, let's check if this is true. Let's substitute the value of x so that we'll have 3 to power. The value of x is 2 plus 2 log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 36. Okay? Now, as you can see, 3 raised to power 2 plus 2 log 2 to base 3. Actually, this is in the form of a to power n plus m, which you can transform as a to power n multiplied by a to power m. Now, applying this indices identity, we're going to have 3 to power 2 multiplied by 3 to power 2 log 2 to base 3 and this is supposed to give us a value of 36. Okay, so 3 to power 2, this is the same thing as 9 multiplied by 3 to power 2 log 2 to base 3, which you can also express as 3 to power log 2 to power 2, okay, to base 3. Okay, so this is 3. Now we are saying that 3 to power 2 log 2 to base 3 can also be expressed as 3 log 2 to power 2. This is the power of 2, so it's 2 to power 2 to base 3. Now applying the logarithm identity, so that if you have m, okay, to power log a to base m, all right, you can see the base is common, so that means the value of this, applying this property, will have a value of a, this, so that we'll have 3 log 2 to power 2 to base 3. Okay, see the base is common, so the answer is supposed to be 2 to power 2. All right, so 2 to power 2, this is equal to 4. All right, so let's substitute this back to the equation. We'll have 9 multiplying by, remember we have 4, 3 raised to power of 2 square to base 3 is the same thing as 4. This is the value multiplying by 4. This is supposed to give us a value of 36. All right, so 9 times 4, this is equal to 36. All right, which is the same thing as 36. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Okay, and that affirms that the value of x, which is equal to 2 plus 2 log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps. If it is your first time to watch videos in this channel, kindly subscribe. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.